Good morning, students. Welcome to Mount Litra Z School. Today we are going to discuss the topic searching internet. This is the sixth chapter in Computer Masti textbook. Dear students, we have already discussed how to search content on search engine. In this video, we will discuss tips of effective search. What are the benefits of effective search? Using proper keywords, operators, quotations, you can expand or filter your search result. Okay, there are some tips here that we are going to discuss. To include complete phrase in the search, use double quotes around the phrase. Okay, a single word is there, then it's okay. But if you are using the whole sentence, then keep it in quotes. Example, trees and soil erosion. Trees and soil erosion in quotation mark gives websites which contains the phrase trees and soil erosion, while without quotes gives those sites which contains information about trees and about soil erosion. Okay, I will show you practically how it works. See, now I open the Google search engine. Here I will write trees and soil erosion without quotation mark. Okay, firstly you will see all the search result, all the links, but at the end you can see number of pages here, and here you can see the search result. How many it is? 19 crore 2 lakh something. Okay, results. So this many links we got. Okay, if same thing I write in quotation marks, then you can see number of results are less. Now it is something 11 1 crore 16 lakh or something. So in this way it filter the result. By giving the quotation mark, it will search the whole sentence as a phrase. Okay, so here in this way we can filter the result. Now next, use specific words. Example, you want to know about particular game. Try games and football games. The phrase football games gives specific websites about the game. Okay, if you are specific about your search that you want to find out about particular game, is it football or cricket or basketball or any game, then give the proper word about it. Let's try it. Okay, in first search I am writing only games. Then you will get result on all available games. Almost all available games. See the number of results appear here. Okay. But if I specify the game, then you can see I get the result only on football or relevant game. And now search result pages are less as compared to the previous one. Okay, so in this way we can expand the search or we can filter our search. Use many words to get relevant sites. Example, to find information about digestive system in humans, enter following two phrases and see the result. Digestive systems and digestive systems in human. Okay, digestive systems in humans gives information on only human digestive systems. Okay, and if we write only digestive system, then what will happen? It will give information about digestive system about all living things. So how do we come to know that our result is expanded or filtered? Then we can see the number of results. Okay, you can see 54 crore 3 lakh something. But if I write here digestive system in human, then I will get less results, but it will be most relevant one. Okay, so in this way we can use many words to or specify different words to specify our search. If you want a word to be included in the search, then add plus before the word. Okay, if you want to search something and you want that word should be there in your search result, then use plus symbol. Example, try Spider-Man plus comics and Spider-Man comics. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so here you will get all the options of Spider-Man comics. Okay, we'll get the most popular links. Okay, 2 crore 40 lakh results are there. But if I write here Spider-Man plus comics, then result will be little bit vary, not most but little bit vary. You can see less number of results are there, 5 crore 59 lakh or something. So in this way we can specify our search by plus symbol. If you want a word to be excluded from the search, then add minus before the word. Okay, example, try solar system except Pluto, Indian animals except lion. Or we can use the previous example, Spider-Man minus comics in that way. I want information about Spider-Man but I don't want comics. Okay, in that way. So it will limit the result, search result. Here it is only 5 crore 80 lakh. So children, now you know to include complete phrase in the search, use double quotes around the phrase, use specific words, use many words to get relevant sites. If you want a word to be included in the search, then add plus before the word. If you want a word to be excluded from the search, then add minus before the word. So all these are the tips for effective search. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.